The thyroid gland is the largest gland in the neck, located in the anterior, front, neck below the skin and muscle layers. It has a butterfly-like shape, with the left and right thyroid lobes representing its wings, which wrap around the trachea. The thyroid's primary function is to produce thyroid hormone, which affects nearly all tissues in the body by increasing cellular activity. Its main role is to regulate the body's metabolism. Now, let's explore the most common thyroid gland disorders and the best ways to treat them. There are two main types of thyroid disorders. Hyperthyroidism occurs when the thyroid is overactive and produces excessive hormones. Common symptoms include difficulty focusing, forgetfulness, changes in eating habits. Elevated heart rate, menstrual problems, fatigue, feeling hot, sweating, sleeping difficulties, racing thoughts, depression, anxiety, irritability, and weight loss. Hypothyroidism happens when the thyroid gland is underactive and doesn't produce enough hormones. Symptoms include brittle nails, constipation, weight gain, muscle cramps, decreased menstrual flow, swelling in the neck, fatigue, forgetfulness, dry skin and hair, and depression. To treat and improve thyroid function, particularly when caused by iodine deficiency, a simple and effective homemade remedy can be used. This remedy requires only 2 ingredients: walnuts, honey, and a small glass jar. Here's what you need: 40 pieces of walnuts, 1 kilogram organic honey, 1 large or a couple of small glass jars. Directions: clean the walnuts thoroughly, dry them, and prick them with a needle or sharp knife. Place the nuts in a jar and cover them with honey. Leave the jar open and exposed to sunlight for 40 days. Afterward, strain the liquid and store it in a glass bottle. How to use it: take 2 tablespoons in the morning and 2 in the evening regularly. You'll be amazed by the results.